In this video, I'm going to show you how to add affiliate links and banners to your WordPress blog. Okay, I've signed into my WordPress dashboard, and this is a brand new installation of WordPress that I've created purely and solely for making this video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a banner here from Amazon. It's the one that I showed you in the earlier video about Amazon. And I'm going to post it into a sidebar in the blog. So if I come back here, we're going to go to Appearance and Widgets. And I'm going to add this into the main sidebar so it'll show on every page on the site. And to do this, I need to create a text widget. So what I'm going to do, scroll down to where it says text, and I'm going to drag that up into the main sidebar, which is a bit difficult given the screen resolution. There we go, in the main sidebar. I'm not going to give it a title because I just want the Amazon link to show. So if I go back to Amazon and then go down here to where the HTML copy is, highlight that, and then copy that to my computer's clipboard, come back to the WordPress dashboard, and then simply paste that in and click on Save. Now when I go to the site, click here on Visit Site, you'll see it's now showing this in the sidebar. And if I go to the sample page, you'll see it's also still showing in the sidebar. So this advertisement will show on every page of this blog. Another thing that you can do is add a banner link. And if you want to add a banner link into the header or the footer widget, then the procedure is the same as I just showed you. But a lot of people like to add a banner into the text of the post in a WordPress blog. And the way that you can do that is very simple. Come here to Links and Banners and select Banner Links, and then choose the size of banner that you want. And you can scroll down to see the various sizes. This is the one that I'm going to use, 468 by 60. And again, highlight the HTML and then copy to the computer's clipboard. Come back to your WordPress blog, and where it says Pages, you want to select the page that you're going to insert this into. I'm going to use the sample page for this demonstration, which is the one that's provided with every new installation of WordPress. And I'm going to click on Edit. You want to make sure that you select the Text tab, like that. And then what you can do is simply paste the HTML code in here. I'm just going to put it in between the first and second paragraphs because that's been proven to be the most effective place to put a banner or an AdSense ad or something like that. So I'm going to paste that in like that. And I can preview the changes by clicking here. And there we go. We now have the banner inserted into the text. And you'll see it hasn't affected the display of our earlier ad. Now, what if you want to add a text link into a blog post to advertise an affiliate product? Again, it's very simple. Come to the WordPress dashboard and select the post that you want to insert the link into. And this technique also works in Pages, but I'm going to use the default post that comes with WordPress, Hello World, for this demonstration. So click here on Edit. I'm going to use the visual mode And I'm going to use the ClickBank hop link that we created in an earlier video for this demonstration. And it is very simple. I'm going to highlight the text where I want the link to go by just simply holding down the mouse button and dragging it across. I'm going to click on this icon here that says Insert / Edit Link. And I've got the hop link already copied and pasted into my computer's clipboard. So I'm just going to go Control and V on my PC. Mac users, I'm sure you know what to do. And because I want people to be able to come back to my blog after they've seen the product and maybe buy something else, I'm going to click this box here, Open Link in a new window / tab, and then click here on Add Link. And that's done. And once again, I can preview the changes. And there we go. You can see there's the link. And I can click on it. And there we go. It's going to the website. In fact, I'll just close the tab before the video starts playing because it can be a bit distracting. And there we go. That's how you can add links and banners and adverts to your WordPress blog to direct people to affiliate products.